Expanding your business internationally is often the fastest route to true scale, but the hidden complexity tax can quickly drain your margins. When you're juggling fragmented payroll systems and local compliance risks, you aren't just losing money, you're losing the agility that made you successful in the first place. Today, we're looking at Multiplier through a strategic lens. Beyond just a tool, it's a way to transform your global overhead into a streamlined, predictable asset that protects your bottom line while empowering your talent. So let's get into it. Starting with the very first step of growing your team, a major trick to keeping things moving is how you handle hiring. Traditionally, generating legally compliant contracts for international hires could take weeks and cost a fortune in legal fees. However, a great way to speed this up is by using an employer of record or EOR platform to automate the process. With Multiplier, you can actually create and send out a contract in under 5 minutes. Instead of drafting everything from scratch, you just log in, head to the onboarding section, and plug in the basics like the name, role, and location. The platform already knows the local laws for wherever your new hire is located. You can even customize the compensation, adding things like signing bonuses or allowances right there in the dashboard. Once you hit send, you can track the whole process in real time, from the moment they get the email to the second they sign. This takes the guesswork out of compliance and lets you focus on getting your new teammates settled in, instead of worrying if you missed a local labor clause. Building on that initial hire, the next trick is staying organized once everyone is actually on board. When your team is spread across different time zones, keeping track of everyone's status in different spreadsheets is a recipe for disaster. A much better approach is using a unified team overview. This allows you to see all your employees and contractors in one single place. You can manage things like time off requests with just a few clicks, and since the platform is flexible, you can create leave types that go beyond just the standard legal requirements. Another big tip for managing expenses here is the automated expense reimbursement. Your team can upload their receipts directly to the portal, and you can approve them with one click. Once they're approved, the system automatically adds those reimbursements to the next payroll cycle. This keeps your records clean and ensures your team isn't waiting weeks to get their money back. It's all about centralizing those daily tasks so they don't eat up your entire afternoon. Moving forward into the financial side of things, managing payroll for a distributed team is where many businesses see their expenses spiral. The trick to keeping this under control is moving away from multiple local providers and using one unified payroll platform. When you consolidate everything, you can run payroll across multiple currencies without having to manage dozens of different bank accounts or login portals. You can even bulk upload employee data or integrate your existing HR software to make sure everything is synced up. A pro tip here is to customize your payroll schedule to match your company's specific needs, whether you pay monthly or semi-monthly. You get a dashboard that shows you exactly what stage the payroll is in, from input to processing. Before any money actually moves, you can review gross to net details and approve reports. This level of control is vital because it helps you catch errors before they happen. Plus, having access to variance reports means you can see exactly why a payment changed from last month, which is huge for keeping your budget on track. That being said, managing expenses and logistics is only half the battle. The other half is making sure your people actually feel supported. A common mistake in global hiring is relying too much on automated bots for support, which can frustrate your team. A better trick is to look for a service that prioritizes human connection. On Multiplier, every account is assigned a dedicated customer support manager. This means you have one person who knows your business and can answer your questions in your own time zone and language. Your employees get the same treatment with dedicated onboarding specialists. If a new hire is struggling with a document or a login, they have a real person to talk to instead of a generic help desk. This human-first approach actually saves you money in the long run because it reduces turnover and ensures that small issues don't turn into big, expensive problems. It keeps the relationship between you and your team strong, which is the foundation of any successful global business. Speaking of saving money, one of the best tips we can give you is to focus on the total cost of ownership rather than just the initial fee. Many platforms charge a percentage of the employee's salary, which means as your team gets raises, your software costs go up too. A smarter trick is to find a platform with flat rate pricing. This way, your costs remain predictable even as your team grows. By using Multiplier's infrastructure in over 150 countries, you bypass those setup costs entirely. They also offer localized pricing, so if you're hiring in markets like India or the Philippines, the service costs are adjusted to be sensitive to those local wages. By consolidating your hiring, payroll, and expense management into one tool, you save on having to pay for multiple different software subscriptions. Now, once you've saved on those infrastructure costs, you can reinvest that into keeping your talent by better benefits. A great trick for managing global benefits is realizing that one size never fits all. What works in the US won't necessarily work in the UK or Singapore. You should use a platform that offers localized insurance from established providers in each specific country. For example, your team in India might be covered by ICICI Lombard, while your US team is with Cigna. This ensures they get the best possible care and that claims are handled smoothly. A big tip here is to look for flexibility in how these are funded. Some platforms are very rigid, but with the right tool, you can decide how much the company covers versus the employee. You can even extend coverage to family members, which is a huge selling point for top-tier talent. Including things like mental health coverage as a standard feature rather than an add-on is another simple way to show your team you care about their well-being without adding massive complexity to your HR tasks. Finally, none of these tips work without total visibility across your entire operation. The ultimate trick to managing global expenses is having 100% visibility into every dollar spent. You want a system where you can track every step of the onboarding process and every line item on a payroll report. Multiplier provides an onboarding checklist so you can see exactly where a new hire is in the process, from signing the contract to receiving their laptop. When it comes to the actual paychecks, the platform guarantees extremely high payroll accuracy, which is pretty rare in this industry. You can jump into the dashboard at any time to see base salaries, expenses, and time off details for every single person, regardless of what country they're in. Instead of digging through messy Excel sheets, you can download a clean report whenever you need it for your records. This level of clarity eliminates the hidden costs of manual errors and ensures you always know exactly where your business stands financially. Managing a global team is a big step, but it doesn't have to be a complicated one if you have the right strategy. Using these tips with Multiplier can really change the way you handle your business expenses. If you found this helpful, make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.